This is the story of Temidayo Oguneyi. On the 11th of May 2011, Temidayo and his friend were approached by three guys. One of them was Nathan McLeod, a 16-year-old from Thornton Heath. They robbed Temidayo and his friend of their mobile phones in Camberwell. Earlier that day, Nathan had been to Camberwell Magistrates Youth Court. It was for a knife attack that he had committed on a man who came to his house to fix his boiler. After Temidayo had his phone stolen, he tried to go and get it back. He met up with Nathan and a fight broke out. But this time Nathan had his knife and stabbed him. Nathan ran away but was later caught, arrested and charged with murder. He was given a 14-year life sentence. I get many messages and emails asking me what to do if people approach your children to rob their items. I always say, let them have it. The possessions can be replaced, but lives can't.